Hi, kindergarten. It is time for lesson 148. Let's start off today by saying Elijah's poem. His poem is Little Boy Blue by Mother Goose. So say it with me. Little Boy Blue by Mother Goose. Little Boy Blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. But where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under a haystack, fast asleep. Good job, Elijah. I'm sure that you were really going to sleep because you do a great job at that poem. So good job. Guys, we're on lesson 148 today, and we are going to do something super special today. I put in your folders for your work for the next couple of weeks a bag, and in that bag there was some coins. Can you go get that right now and hit the pause if you need to wait? So go get it for you. Go get it for me. And we're going to talk today about how we count different coins. And we're going to start out with the nickels and the pennies. Now remember, the pennies, I want to show you on my big pennies. So this is a penny. Remember who's on the penny? Abraham Lincoln. And how much is a penny? 1 cent. Remember sometimes, now those coins that I gave you, they were mine from my piggy bank. And some of them might look a little bit different, but that's what I want to show you. That's okay. Because sometimes pennies are dark like this, and sometimes pennies are not dark. Sometimes they're a little lighter color, but they're all the same, and they're all still 1 cent. So it doesn't matter, as long as it's still a penny, it doesn't matter if it's dark or not. It's still a penny and it's still 1 cent. So what I want you to do right now is to get your pennies that I gave you and put them in one pile, and then put your nickels in the other pile. Okay, so you're going to have a pile of pennies and a pile of nickels. Okay, and I will wait while you do that. You don't have to count them right now, just separate them. Okay, if you need some more time, just hit the pause button. I don't want to take too long for your mommies, okay? So we're going to talk today about counting our money together, all right? When we count our money and how much money we have, we always want to start with the coin that's worth the most. That means it has the most money with it when you count just one of them, okay? So this is our nickel. Somebody tell me, how much is a nickel? 5 cents, right? So this is 5 cents. And how much is a penny? 1 cent. Now, which one is worth more? Which one is more money? Not bigger, but which one is worth more? Now, this time the one that's bigger is worth more, but that's not always true. But this time it is. So 5 cents is more than 1 cent. So we always start by counting the one with the most money. So I want you to find a nickel and hold it, and then find 2 pennies. Okay, now we're going to count these. Which one is worth more, the nickel or the pennies? The nickel. So we're going to count it first. And when we count nickels, what do we count by? We count by fives, but we only have one. So we're going to say 5 cents. Now these we count by one. So we're going to say, how much money do we have? 5, 6, 7. Now we have 7 cents in our hand. Good job. That's how you counted those nickels and those pennies. Now put your nickels back down and your pennies back down so that you have 2 piles again, okay? This time I want you to get 1 nickel and 4 pennies. 1 nickel and 4 pennies. Hold them. You can put them in a pile on the floor or on the table if you can't hold them all like me, because mine are big so I can hold them. So we're going to count these. 4 pennies, 1 nickel. Which one do we count first? The bigger one, which is the nickel, and it's 5 cents. So let's count these. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how much money do you have? 9 cents. Good job. Now this time I want you 1 penny. Wait right here. 2 nickels, 1 penny. Now let's try counting these now, okay? Which one do we count first? The nickels, because they're bigger, right? So let's count. What do we count by when we count nickels? We don't say we have 2 cents, because this is not 2 cents. How much is 2 nickels? 5, 10. 10 cents. But we also have a penny. So we say we have 10, 11. So remember, because we only count by ones, because pennies are only 1 cent. So we have 5, 10, 11. So we have 11 cents. Good job. This time I want you to get 3 nickels and 1 penny. 3 nickels, 1 penny. Okay, we're going to count these. Now, which one do we count first? Nickels is more, so we're going to count the nickels first, and then we'll count our penny by 1 at the end, okay? So let's count our nickels. What do we count by? 5. 5, 10, 15, 15 cents. But we still have a penny. So we say 15 and 1 more, 16. Now we have 16 cents. Very good job. Let's do 1 more, and we will get 2 nickels, 2 pennies. 2 nickels and 2 pennies. Ready? Which one do we count first? The nickels are bigger, so we count the nickels. Ready? 5, 10. Do we have 10 cents? 10 cents in nickels, but we still have these. So we count by ones to add these to them. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12. 12 cents. Now, moms, I think you might have to help with that a few more times and make up your own numbers, but just do nickels and pennies today, okay? We're going to do nickels and pennies for a few days. Let's count our nickels and our pennies and add them all up. And remember that we count the biggest one first. You guys are doing a great job. So today, I think that you are doing a really easy letters and sounds and some writing tablet. I want you to do really good on that writing tablet page. I want you to try your very best to make all your letters so that Mrs. Snell knows that you're making all of your letters the right way. So take your time and do a good job on your writing tablet today. And today is a reading grade. That means that mommy's going to video you or Marco Polo you and send it to me. And mommies, if you notice, we're only doing 2 pages because the 4 pages seemed like a lot for them. It doesn't seem like a lot in person, but over the videos, it seems like a lot. So we'll just do 2 pages. Unless you think they need to do another one and you would like to do another one, that's fine with me, but you only need to do 2. So send me 2 pages of reading from one of the books that you are in, and please let me know what book it is when you're doing it. That helps me out too. So I hope you guys have an awesome day. Sorry this video was a little long. I'm working on it. I love you guys.